I had put a little piece of grass there so I know where I was standing. That was my mark.
We need to get to 100 million. I need to figure it out.
Wouldn't that be amazing? Let's do it.
10th year.
So I'm a Floridian if you ask me. I don't claim California, I'm a Floridian.
I remember telling the kids, you cannot get sick because we don't have health insurance. So they were not allowed to get sick.
So I created the business in April of 2020 and went, oh no, what have I done?
We literally started from nothing 10 years ago.
The Advanced Hurricane Technology story starts with my mom and dad. It starts with two people's $600 and a dream. They came to this country in 1993 from Ecuador, and they took that dream and they really made something of it.
2019, I was let go from a job. Didn't know what I was gonna do. I was early 40s. At the time, my wife was a stay-at-home mom. She said, why don't we switch roles? You become the stay-at-home parent, I'll go back to work, you take a break and figure out what's next. It turned out bagels was next, because she loves bagels, and she said, what you should do is you should just figure out how to make me a bagel. I love my wife, and she said, make me a bagel, so I said, okay.
I remember it was a Saturday morning sitting in her apartment and just saying, I have to figure this business out. My back's against the wall. It's all on me. And I don't want to just be a lawyer. I want to own a real law firm, run a business, and figure it out. And I just immersed myself in learning, in business, marketing, management, leadership, everything.
The advancement of technology in the last just couple years has been insane for us. Keeping up with that has been very difficult, and making sure that you're getting the right solutions in your customers' hands is becoming harder.
We realized during our due diligence process there wasn't a veteran-led metal finishing company that was focused on communication, reliability, and quality, and also transparency. So we decided to apply some of that military discipline, myself being a military veteran, to go ahead and focus on that solution. And then suddenly, within a matter of months, we were just exploding.
We constantly deliver value. A lot of consulting is come in, fix this thing, leave. I want to continuously deliver value and build on that value. And I think that has shown in our current client base because we have like an almost zero attrition rate. Almost zero.
You've got to be dependable. People have to be able to rely on you. And in construction, it makes all the difference. You got to make sure that you're good at what you do and that you deliver what you say you're going to do and that you deliver it on time. And that's what we bring to the table.
The value that our company brings to the customers is kitchen happiness. I believe that we can add just a little bit of happiness in each person's life. That overall, as a culture, as a civilization, that we're going to be doing better if we can just give a little bit of smiles to people.
How do we know we're making an impact? How do we know it's the right impact? That's really what gets us out of bed in the morning. When the folks who don't think we can help them just give us a try and then we help them, the outcomes that they produce, we don't do the hard work, they do the hard work. But if they do the hard work that we've proven works for over 19,000 other folks, you can probably have high confidence that you're going to achieve your outcome. And when they do, and it's above their expectation, I think that's one of the key reasons why 70–80% of our business is word of mouth.
We have been focused on quality and commitment and raising the bar when it comes to manufacturing. And the fact that we got this recognition, the entire team feels it. And we actually went down memory lane and looked at where we came from since 2020. It's been definitely a journey, and the fact that we got to this point, people are just so fired up about it. I want to wish all my fellow honorees congratulations and have a great time tonight.
I want to send out a congratulations to everybody else. All the other recipients, congrats and keep up the good work.
Congrats to all of the other Grow Florida honorees. You guys are amazing. You and me and all of us, we're doing amazing things for the state of Florida. We're building businesses, we're helping people, we're helping our community. So keep up the great work. Congratulations. I'm so excited for you.
Congratulations to all the honorees in this room. This is a powerful room. I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to meet everyone. I hope everyone has an amazing evening.
A hearty congratulations well done. It was not an easy process. So make sure you leverage this with you, your family, your customers, your network, and thanks Grow Florida for choosing us.
On behalf of Sanibel Captiva Community Bank and our 130 very special, hardworking employees, congratulations to all the honorees.
I want to congratulate all the honorees. It's been a long process getting to this point right now. Congratulations to you all, and I wish you all success.
Congratulations to all the honorees. This is an incredible group of people and organizations to be a part of.
Congratulations, everybody, and have a ball tonight.
Congratulations to all the other honorees.
Congratulations!
Guys, you are badass!
You're awesome.